Thank you so much for joining me today for this testimonial. I just wanted to ask you a few questions.
Sure, let's have it.
Awesome. How's your solar experience going so far?
It's going great. I haven't had any issues with it so far.
Great. What has been your favorite part throughout the process?
The great customer service and everybody's checking on me, make sure everything's going well.
Awesome. So who helped you in sales and how are they doing so far?
Oh, it's Jerry, and she's doing great. She's called me every so often to make sure everything's going fine and asked me if I have any questions.
Awesome. Now, would you recommend anyone to go with Green Home Systems?
Yeah, I talked to a couple friends, but they're not sure just yet. And I got a lot of friends that are still doing rentals because of the housing market. So
Great. Well, maybe in the future you can convince them.
I could try, but we'll go from there.
All right. Well, I really appreciate your time today and thank you so much for answering some of my questions.
All right, you too. Have a good day.